Hello and welcome to Physics Problems One by One.
So here is a problem. As always, read it, maybe once, maybe twice, and then pause the video and try to solve it yourself.
There is another example of the pendulum, but this pendulum is not the one that you know. The previous pendulum was like this. You pull it and then it goes back and forth, back and forth. This is a pendulum that's a little bit different. You pull it and you give it a lot of speed here, so it starts to do this motion, and this is a very different motion but with the same rope and the same body, so it's like a cone. It's this horizontal plane and it's just going in the circles, right? But what is the forces? What are the forces? It's going in the surface, and here it's going in this plane, and this is going in horizontal plane. But what are the forces? Can you spot the difference? Pause. And if you ask yourself a question, whom is interacting? And the answer would be exactly like previous time. It would be mg gravity and T along the tension of the rope T, and those are only two forces. So from the viewpoint of forces, it's exactly the same situation. The movement is very different. Here it's oscillations like that, and here is rotational movement, but this has to be taken into account when we'll be solving those problems, and we will, and this will be based on the second law of motion. And here would be also orbital movement. But from the viewpoint of sources, there's only two bodies with whom we're interacting, here, and those bodies are the same, and this is Earth and tension, and this is tension as a rope, and from that point of view it's all identical. And I hope those examples are a good introduction to the forces, and probably very soon I will start building a playlist about second law of motion, when we will be tying those forces to acceleration. But this is next. For the time being, if you like, if you want more, subscribe bell. If you have your own questions, put them in the comment section. Thank you.